Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a corn ice cream, which is a mantecado de maiz, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. So here I have heavy cream, I have whole kernel corn, I have sea salt, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and some condensed milk. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my half and half milk, just like this. Now I'm also going to add my condensed milk. Okay, this is really thick. Okay, you want to make sure you get everything. Okay, I'm going to add my corn. Make sure you drain your corn. Okay, just like that. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to add my cinnamon, and I'm also going to add my vanilla extract, just like that. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it really good, and we're going to put this to blend. Okay, guys, so I started the blend for like maybe 10 seconds on low. Now what I'm going to do is blend it on high. Okay guys, so I blended this on high for, I want to say, 15 to 20 seconds, and now we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come with a strainer. This is the strainer I'm going to be using, and I'm going to pour this in through the strainer because I do not want any chunks. Okay, so once you pour it, it's gonna be super thick. You gotta help it along. So you're gonna do this for a while until it all comes out. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the way it looks once you strain it. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put saran wrap on this, and we're gonna put it in the freezer for 8 to 24 hours. Okay, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so it's been 24 hours since I did my ice cream of corn, and this is the way it looks. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. See that? So now I'm just gonna take some. Let's see how it comes out. I'm gonna use this little bowl right here. Let's see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Look at how nice it looks. It is creamy and so good. Guys, if you do try this, please let me know in the comments how you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you guys have any recommendations. Also leave it in the comments, and my description and the amount I'm using is in the bottom. So have a blessed day.